Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of long sleeves designs. From elegant evening wear to casual everyday looks, long sleeves can add a touch of sophistication and style to any outfit. Whether you're looking for a classic cut, trendy patterns, or unique detailing, we have got you covered. So join us as we explore various long sleeve styles, including balloon sleeves, bell sleeves, bishop sleeves, and more. We will showcase how to pair these different designs of outfit, highlight the latest trends, and offer tips on how to choose the right long sleeve style for your body type and occasion. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration and styling tips. Let us know in the comments which long sleeve design is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.